Hi, I'm Bradicus. I have a cousin on TV. This is my audition for making commercials, my first one. My cousin said he was a little busy, but told me to try out. Okay, here goes. Do your best. If the world had only one place to get t-shirts, they would want it to be at Embroidery in San Jose. They sold designs on shirts called embroidery. I can spell that. But not now. They also press pictures on shirts and a lot of other stuff. It's pretty neat and cool. That sounded good. Most stuff is for not kids, but people kind of close to middle age and beyond. Kids too. Oh, kids too. Kids too, and dogs, and I think girls. I'm not sure. How'd I do?